Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm XiaoMing. Today we are going to cook a very easy dish, Claypot Rice home version. The ingredients we need are 1 Chinese sausage, a piece of chicken breast, some vegetables, 3 colored beans, half cup of rice, and 1 egg. Now let's prepare all the ingredients. First, we slice the Chinese sausage into smaller slices. And then, we dice the chicken. Remove the root of the vegetable. Now we add all the rice into a bowl and some water to wash the rice. Put it aside and soak the rice for 20 minutes. Then let's start cooking. Put the rice first and add around 1 cup of water. Then put all the ingredients inside. Spread them so that they are soaked in the water. And finally we put the egg inside. Then let's turn the fire on. Maximum fire until the water is boiling. Turn the fire to minimum and put the lid on. Cook for around 10 minutes and then we put the vegetable inside. Put the lid back on and cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, let's add some chili sauce and it's ready to serve. If you've done it right, you can see some crunchy part of the rice down below. Mix well and enjoy! That's all for today's video. Hope to see you in the next video.